get time to invite many people. Hello guys, welcome to my platform. I am so sad right now. So sad. Very sad. Hello Stanley, Perfect, John, Marco, John. I am so sad, so sad. The killings in Nigeria, I still dey mourn those people may die. I make I no apply makeup. I'm still wearing my black. I dey mourn the lives may die for. We never mourn the one may die finish for Plateau State. Another one happen for Lagos Ibadan Expressway. Tanker just explode. Kill people, roast people. Wetin dey happen for inside Nigeria? We more dey for overseas sef go. We even dey secure pass people wey dey for inside Nigeria. I mean that dem suppose secure pass. At least we no dey for our father's land, but we secure well pass them. Okoje, I'm not feeling fine. I'm not dey fine at all. I dey sad. For the past days now, I still dey wear black. I been think say the black I go don already remove am. Now yesterday again, tanker for Ibadan Expressway, Lagos Ibadan Expressway, kill people. Now this kind of thing I person go happy when they do live video, makeup, go here, do this, go here. I am sad. I dey sad. I dey cry. My body and soul dey cry. For the past days now, just a mourn Plateau people as if na my papa and mama dey there. Now my papa and mama self, because of say they are my brethren in the Lord. If they cry, then self it go affect me. And they get horrible nightmare for the past days. I know they sleep. Because the thinking don't dey my memory. Maybe say now wetin I just imagine every night when I close my eye. Why? Wetin dey happen for Nigeria? Why they won't wipe the whole Nigeria's finish? Augusta, thank you. Welcome. For those of you who go like to join me for my YouTube channel na Coco Mama. I get video make I upload for my word like some hours ago. I don't know that and I don't watch her. For those of you who don't know how to speak Hausa, because now Hausa they speak for there. Soldiers catch some of these Fulani S-men. If you can't see the way that they confess, now Hausa language, for the first side they speak Hausa small. Now Hausa they talk and they ask them how many they don't kill. You get one small picking for them, may not go past 18 years. When akashe goma ne nakashe, goma ko ne nakashe. Allah way ache we mukashe so. Now God nine say make them kill them. I get them for my word. Now in the soldier call they tell and say kema zaka mutu kakashe goma ko zaka mutu. Ba we kache we kana karatu we kuma kana kashe mutani kema se ka mutu. I get them for my word in case of those people may want see them. Make una see where they confess people made them kill small children. They begin they cry. Like they always they talk, most of them no be from Nigeria, and our Nigeria government decided to keep them for inside Nigeria because they feel say those people that then go help them kill the citizen and they want the citizen to die. Because if this thing not be deliberately, I don't see reason why they still they harbor these people for our country. If they are not Nigeria, then what are they doing in Nigeria? So they say all Nigerians, all the states in Nigeria should give them acres of land as if cattle, those people raise their cattle up. As if na government business. These business are private businesses. Why they can't involve government inside? Because their brother, maybe the Oga Pata might be the president. I never see where Igbo man or another tribe go outside land. Come on doing personal business, government go come give am place for free. I never see am. Now for this Fulani S-men matter, now I can't no say for Buhari regime, now I can't no say Fulani S-men and Buhari na the same man na in they be. Say make cattle, people they do their personal business. Every governor should give them acres of land to rear their cattle by force. Those people may refuse to give them those acres of land. They will make sure say they terrorize that place, kill people till they will be forced to give them their own land. This is terrible. Least today I'll watch channel news in the morning as early as 8 o'clock because I then miss channel news. Now for day night, the secretary of Miyetti Allah, this Alasan, if you see the kind of way they invite him, if you see wetin this man dey open mouth dey talk, una go know say these killings are deliberately. He say dem kill cattle, dem kill hundreds of cattle. So, and they say our government bring the idea of giving them plots of land, acres of land to rear their cattle on each state. People refuse that. So therefore, anything make them see, make them bear am like that. I cry. Nigerians don't finish. Nigerians don't finish. If Boko Haram no strike, Fulani herdsmen go strike. Fulani herdsmen no strike. Tanker full with fuel, petrol, they go explode. Everybody go die. We nobody just safe for that place. Up to chickens, nobody safe for inside Nigeria. Isiri, JPLO. Nobody safe for inside Nigeria. Nigeria now, where you want run go? You dey run go this place, so tanker go explode for there. You dey run go this place, so Fulani herdsmen dey wait for you for there. Boko Haram dey wait for you for there. What did happen for inside Nigeria? Make una share this video, share this video, share this video. We all na Nigeria. For the fact say they never give us Biafra, we still be Nigeria. We need to put hands together and make this country a better one. Nigeria, especially those living in Nigeria now, that the air are hot too. Now they're supposed to they save hand what pass we move there for another man country, but now we can't save personal because of say the leaders are blood-sucking leaders, including some of our pastors. They go just there, they pray for them to die. Fulani herdsmen go die. Fulani herdsmen go die. What do they do with those money? Make they contribute. Why you don't use and go those IDP camps? Make these killings don't affect them for years. Why you don't go touch lives? Why you don't go help those people? No. You prefer to buy private jet for yourself. Why people are dying? Nigeria, go get your PVC. Come 2019. We not go fit extend this kind of president again for another more 4 years. Now, know how many people go die for 4 years again? Just 3 days ago, hundreds of people died, hundreds of churches burned, hundreds of homes destroyed, hundreds of lands, farmland. Maybe say, if they no farm, hungry go kill una. Government no they provide anything for una. Poor farmers may go give una food, they still they kill them. And you go sit down there and say you no go get your PVC. Or to get your PVC go cost you 20 days. Stay for that line for 1 year to get your PVC. It's better than to extend this devilish and blood-sucking APC government. May don't suck the lives of Nigerians like say we be chickens. Nigerians, go get your PVC. I dey here now, I dey sad, I know they happy. On my normal grind, if I want to do live video, I dey like to make up well. See me. I just did the way God take nothing. Because of say I dey sad, I dey mourn there up till today. I still wear black. We never mourn the Fulani herdsmen home, make they kill people finish. Thank her again, say, oh yeah, make the remaining people make it for Ibadan Expressway. Make they carry go. Anita Lucky, thank you very much. You are welcome. Please share this video, invite your friends and family. My YouTube channel na Coco Mama. And because of say I go upload this video for my YouTube channel. For my friends, my fans for YouTube, this my Facebook now Pastor 7th. If you want to see the video of the Fulani herdsmen make them catch, it there for my YouTube, my Facebook. Those Fulani herdsmen make them catch, where they come. This one say Kite, Nakeshe Goma, Nakeshe Bier, Nakeshe Ashiri, Jesus. Mutani, now they keshe like this. Woman being. Now they talk, they call, they cry. So you know what made them keshe you, but they keshe people. I think that they see them. For this month alone, and this few months ago, they hang 3 Christians to life. They hang them. That is, they go die by hanging because they kill one Fulani herdsman. thousands of people make Fulani herdsmen they kill. We never hear say they kill one or hang one or even caution them. When I know about this evangelist made them kill. Harry, wake up. This evangelist made them kill for Abuja. Those people made them kill. The woman, that woman made the money cry. May she get children. She's from what's the name of this church? Redeem. They don't free those people, the killers. They don't free them. The one made them kill again, the Deeper Life woman for Kano State. They don't free them. If I don't know, they watch news, make I tell una. But the Fulani herdsmen may go kill people for Plateau State. As we speak, they are still in Plateau State. Then kill the people, hijack their property, come they live there. This one, the video I get them from the people of Plateau, maybe they talk, say, they never ever see this kind of thing, no? Say, they kill their people. And the people, the Hausas people, the Fulani herdsmen, still they live for them, and their governments, their governor know, and they don't want to do anything. Say, they never hear them for the history of Nigeria. To show una say, all APC governor, they back these killings. They no fit talk because they chop, they benefit from this very government. Now only the PDP governors now they are against this thing because of say they no go tolerate that kind of rubbish for their state. But APC governor, they back them. Because Buhari na their oga pata for the blood-sucking business. If we sit down here to the curse all of them, they bind them, they pray, make them die. God no go answer that prayer because God no wants anybody to perish. So the only thing we go do to save ourselves now to get your PVC to come 2019, vote this kind blood-sucking government out of our lives. Enough of the killings. People don't perish plenty under Buhari watch. You know, condemn the act. They don't hang anybody. They don't kill anybody. They don't put anybody for jail. Why they go stop? You no waste time. Why you no waste time? Make it take declare Nnamdi Kanu Biafra as terrorist group. Till today, we don't even know the whereabouts of Nnamdi Kanu. Whether they live or whether they die, we don't know. But these people, maybe they kill people every day. Maybe say cows, cattle can't get more value past human being for the Buhari watch. They never declare the terrorist group. They never even catch one of them, put them for jail. Mieti Hala still get their stupid, stinking mouths. They say cattle. If they kill their cattle, this, I say, my God, life. And this one, they never arrest them. But this Pastor Hebuba for Plateau State, the last time he condemned this killing, una know say they won't go arrest him. If no be say, now the brethren for DSA, no go possible. But as we speak now, Pastor Hebuba is that they don't arrest him. Because of say, he do video recently, say, 3 days ago, I get the video for my word again, for my Facebook. Say, Christians, make we rise, make we help ourselves, you know. This man don't even say, "Mona kill ourselves," or "Mona go fight them." They don't go arrest this man. Say, because of say, why he go talk? Why he go talk? May our eye open. Why no go quiet so that we no go know what they do, or we forget our problem. We no go there at alert. We go sleep. They'll come again, go attack us because their plan, their mission, that to empty the Christian for inside Nigeria, that to kill all the Nigerians. Christian, no, you know be Christian, no, for the first thing, you know be Hausa, you know be Muslim. They want to kill everybody for inside that Nigeria. If una no make I tell una. It is terrible. Under Buhari watch, Buhari deliberately they allow Fulani herdsmen in brothers. They kill people anyhow. Fulani herdsmen go strike, they go free. The boys, the people of the community, they go just come out. Say wait till they happen. After the Fulani herdsmen don't go, soldiers go arrest them. Now then go come be the victim. Or when maybe them vex come kill one Fulani herdsman on the process, they go kill those. The soldiers go carry those people, carry them go kill for judge. The stupid, useless Hausa Fulani herdsmen judge may we get for Nigeria. Not to favor the Hausa Fulani herdsmen people. Even they kill, they destroy. Even if they carry them go court, they will just give them, they'll put them for bail. But the people may react, may they don't kill their people, they don't kill their loved one, they don't destroy their cross, destroy their homes. They go say those people, they go die by hanging. Which kind government be this? Now this kind change we vote for. Nigeria, now this kind change now I vote for. This kind blood-sucking change. Nigeria, make una wake up from una sleep. Buhari no be the right man come 2019. After all, Buhari is a sick man. All the promises, no one he don't get. You say go do school, hospitals. Instead, he go abroad, go treat himself. Common cough and catarrh, we go use agbo medicine treat. Buhari go use our millions, go treat himself. Because he no care, he no send you and me. And 2019 again, when they think how una wan vote, Nigeria, make una use una PVC, na una power. Use your PVC, act fast. Use your PVC. Your PVC is your strength, it's your votes. Your vote must count when you use your PVC. Go get your PVC come 2019. Enough of the killings. Enough of the bloodshed. Enough of the killings. This Buhari, their mission is to destroy all lives and properties. And those lives and properties, now those ones, they belong to Christians. Our pastor, our so-called pastors, some of these so-called men of God, not all, they sit reluctantly for their house, for their comfort zone, because it don't affect them. They no fit talk, then because of say, if they talk, it will affect their money because of say, they say they chop for inside this blood-sucking government. How I wish I could do here like 100 hours or 3-5 hours make I talk the way they do me for my belly, but time no go permit me because of say I get appointment, I won't go, my alarm don't already ring. I would like to continue this video again some other time. My people, I go leave on for this place. Make una share this video. Make una see the way people they die for Nigeria like chicken under Buhari watch, and nothing Buhari can do. Nothing he can do. Christians have been. They just kill Christians deliberately. This will not be saying a mistake. It is terrible. I am so sad right now. Our prayers for them to die, we don't pray and for long, it no happen. Instead, they kill people more and more. Now, waiting, I want everybody to do, make una go get una PVC. Nigerians, get your PVC. Get your PVC, oh, get your PVC. 2019, we are taking it back. 2019, we they take them back. Enough of all these old, useless politicians, leaders, may they rule us, may not get us for mind. Some of the politicians, not all, but almost all of them are blood suckers. And 2019, we don't want to see their ugly head. Make them go wherever they come from. Most of them say are not even the citizens of Nigeria, like Bukola Saraki. When I know say this man is his own citizenship now for Britain, not even Nigeria, but he's the Senate president of Nigeria. They use us like toothpick. We say we dey there. Only way till they do, maybe we'll just watch Nigeria film. They for social media, watch football. That one no dey enough. We can do better than that. Go get your PVC. Go get your PVC, Nigerians. The killings on too much. You know they pain you, like they pain me. For days I no fit sleep. And they think and they wake up for nights. Like say, na nightmare. The thing just dey for my brain. I still dey mourn the killings. That make I still wear black. Common makeup and no put. Because of say the thing kill my spirit. I know they Nigeria, but I dey imagine. I get loved ones for Nigeria. Even if they don't, they not. This fight make una dey see dey come. Na they go end for only not. It go reach every part for inside Nigeria. By that time, I no go see mouth take cry. Make una act fast. Act fast now. Go get your PVC. Go get your PVC, Nigeria. Enough is enough. Enough of the killings. We must take them back. We are taking it back 2019. I go leave una for this place. So, like I said, my alarm don't ring 2 times. I get appointment. I love una so much. Share this video. Invite your friends and family to join us. My YouTube page now, Coco Mama. I dey so sad, I dey so worried, I dey so disappointed for the way our leaders they lead Nigeria to graveyard, koro for our own high, for our own country. Not before in those days, no Igbo people come they use us as slave. Oh. This one now our own people they use us as slave. They kill us. If they don't give us food again, that one okay, we go say food cause may they not give us food, we go chop anything we see. They come they kill us again. Cattle can't get value past human being for Buhari regime. and una say make I no talk, and una say make we leave am for God. We go leave am for God because of say our prayers to kill them, make we dey pray all together with all those our greedy pastors, make na only to pray, make them die, but they know they go dey touch lives, those people, they no dey use their money go help them. E no work. So the only thing make go work now, make una go get una PVC. Because Biafra, that one, they just deliberately no want to make it work, because if it work, they know say all these northerners, they go die, they go hear win, so they no go let them work. They depend on the resources made there for our area, so they no go let that Biafra come to pass. So we are still Nigerians. We should get our PVC and make Nigeria work for good. That is all I have to say. I love una so much, my people. Share this video, invite your friends, invite your loved ones. My YouTube is Coco Mama. You can join me there. I upload video on a daily basis, talk about things when they happen for Nigeria. All these things when I talk, I get the video for my wall, for my Facebook. I get some plenty. May I never even download also. May I see and my heart break. I go download them, but I no go fit put them for my YouTube because of say YouTube get rules and regulations. I go post them for my Facebook so that make una see wetin I dey talk. Say I know they talk because of say I hate northerners. I dey talk because of say they hate us and they don't want our life to exist again for the Nigeria planet, and it is terrible. We must take them back. We are taking it back 2019. Go and get your PVC in Nigeria. I love you guys. I will leave una for this place. One love. I thank everybody may join me. Liz Scott, thank you very much. Auntie Kate, thank you very much. Ooh, I don't round up. It go good for those people may just they come. Make una watch this video again. Una go see waiting I talk. And una go watch the videos make I upload today, 2 hours ago. How some group of Fulani Esme made them catch them. They talk the amount of people made them kill. Now with Hausa language, some say Nakeshe Goma, Nakeshe Ashiri. They keep it. They talk how many people. They confess how many people they don't kill. I don't upload the video 2 hours ago. Watch the video and make you watch this one. Maybe we just do for those of Namil that they come, make una join us late. Then na go know if come 2019 if una want take them back or una don't want take them back. I wear black because I'm mourning those dead people may don't die. Good evening, Auntie Kate. Thank you very much. Okay, now I won't sign out. I love una so much. Naomi, thank you very much.